Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, August the 13th. We have quite a significant surprise for you in this video, so I hope you stick tuned and check that out. That's also why this video is a little bit longer. But yeah, I'm assuming y'all have been waiting for this, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. As you can see, we have moved into a warehouse completely from our house. So yeah, it's been quite a bit of the works in the making. It's been a couple months that we've been planning this and working on it. Our main move was this past weekend. But as you can see, we're now fully functional in the new warehouse. So this was the surprise I've been holding back to keep from y'all this whole time. So thank y'all so much for waiting, and I hope y'all enjoyed that little edit I did of our new warehouse. There's a couple more boxes open in this video, so you can still stick around and check that out. But yeah, just this was the surprise. Took quite a bit of work to move here. There was a lot of fabric, a lot of notions. We have all our pre-orders right here. It took quite some time. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. But without further ado, let's get right back into this video.